How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today I am here in Nagoya, Japan, visiting my friends at Novel Racing, or otherwise known as Revel Motorsports. That is their retail arm, and I wanted to show you what they have going on in the shop right now. The car lineup they have here today is pretty cool. It's a lot different than last year. Last year they didn't have a whole lot going on. This year they've been busier than ever. So I'm just gonna walk you through the parking lot of what cars they have. Some of it's their own cars, and a lot of it's their customer cars. So let's check it out. So right here we have an ISF. It's either got a supercharger kit or a turbo kit. You can see the piping right there. Wheels lowered a little bit. Have another ISF here. See some cobwebs. The car's been in an accident. I'll show it to you in a second. We have a in-house race car that they have here on a new GT86. And here we have another ISF. Can you tell me what's interesting about this car? Or what shouldn't be, why it's kind of odd here in Japan? Not so much the car itself, but the fact that it's a left-hand drive car. Interior, so pretty cool, really nice. It's on SSR wheels, coilovers. Has a kit. This poor ISF got wrecked. It's one of Revel's customers, so I don't know what's going on with that. Here's the back end of the Revel GT86, full endless big brake setup, front and rear. So really high dollar parts. This IS350 has been here for a hot minute. This was here last year. I believe it's one of the cars for sale. It's just here. I think that car's been there forever too. I remember seeing it. We have a Toyota 86 again here also with Advan GTs on it. Spoiler and a body kit. This might be a customer's car. Yeah, I think so. Or one of the employees. Let's go check out the cars in front of the shop, and then I'll show you the shop side and then the retail side. Here's another Toyota 86 that's for sale. Has a very interesting kit. I don't know what kit this is, but it gives it sort of the A90 concept sort of vibes. Another 86 for sale. Full body kit, has custom fenders, front bumper. I don't know what kit this is either. Sorry, I don't keep up with a lot of that. So many body kits nowadays. There's a RCF for sale also. I'll get to this car in a second. Very special car. But last year, if you remember, they had a Lexus drift car that they were working on. This is like it's seen some more work. So you see me post on social media of a Lexus drifting. This is the car. They've just recently redone it with a partial wrap to have the Novel signature blue on there. PMU brakes front and rear. Oh, sorry, PMU brakes rear front. I don't know what it is. But yeah, this car is fully caged up, full built race car. Now they've redone this to where it's fully accessible. Rear mount radiator setup. So it clears everything out in the front in case there's a crash they crash the front. You're not flooding coolant everywhere. So everything's in the rear where it's more protected, and everything's opened up for cooling purposes. You can see the exhaust sits pretty low to the ground. Customer's cars here. They just moved the ISF over here. I have one of the other cars here too. It's being stored. There's Kazumasa. And there's the Daiki. He's busy working. It's a Sunday here at the shop, so kind of busy. So here's the alignment room and miscellaneous. So one of the main points I wanted to kind of share with you today was this right here. It is Novel's new Lexus IS500 kit. Now I know you've seen on social media, Mod in Japan has been putting up posts and pictures and whatnot, but I will do a full walk around and then go show you the detail of how the kit mounts up to the car, so you kind of see how well it fits. The car is lowered on just lowering springs, I think endless. But yeah, let's show you how the kit fits. So it's on Enki wheels with Bridgestones, but the kit, if you look, fits seamlessly into the OE body. No gaps, no weird things going on. Everything's designed to mount up like factory. They are coming out with more parts for this, I believe, but this is what they have right now, is the kit and then the exhaust setup. But yeah, if you look at the kit, the fit is pretty much dead on. No weird odd gaps anywhere. Everything fits like a glove. Excuse the car being dirty. This is Taku's daily now, and we've been riding around Nagoya with this thing, so it's been pretty cool. So you can see how the rear pieces come on. This is the factory piece. He has the exhaust on there also, and has a rear center diffuser. Fitment, precise, and pretty much perfect. This is also the rear carbon fiber rear spoiler that they are producing. I believe there is a total of 5 kits coming inbound soon, so by the time you see this video, they should be in stock at Mod in Japan. So go ahead, hit them up if you need the kit. Let's go inside the showroom and I'll walk you around real quick. Here's a full example of the exhaust setup. See the quality of the weld work and how clean it is. And this is the infamous Novel manifolds that cost an insane amount but worth every penny, and it gives the F engines its signature sound. This is, I believe, the earlier version, so the newer versions, the work's even crazier. And they have a racing sim there and some parts on the wall.